Looking for an SUV that won't break the bank or fall apart after a few years? In this video, we're counting down the top 6 most underrated SUVs of 2025, reliable vehicles that quietly go the distance, easily lasting over 300,000 miles. These are the hidden gems that deliver real value, long-term durability, and peace of mind without the hype. Number 6. Honda Passport. The Honda Passport is one of those SUVs that quietly delivers more than you'd expect, without ever trying to grab the spotlight. With a starting price around $41,000 for the 2025 model, it offers a level of reliability and longevity that many rivals in its segment simply can't compete with. Consumer Reports gives it a predicted reliability score of 82 out of 100, which is a strong indicator of how well this vehicle holds up over time. What really sets the Passport apart is how durable it is, even with just routine maintenance. Many owners report these SUVs easily crossing the 200,000-mile mark without major issues, and it's not uncommon to see older models still running strong. Honda's conservative engineering and reputation for dependable powertrains really shine through here. Plus, it boasts some of the lowest long-term maintenance costs in its class. While it shares its platform with the Honda Pilot, the Passport is slightly smaller, more rugged, and better tailored to the everyday needs of American drivers. It may not make headlines or come loaded with flashy features, but if you're looking for peace of mind, long-term value, and rock-solid dependability, the Passport quietly delivers all of that and more. Number 5. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson has steadily become one of the most dependable and overlooked compact SUVs on the market. Starting at around $29,000 for the 2025 model, it delivers impressive value without sacrificing long-term durability. Consumer Reports gives the Tucson a strong predicted reliability rating of 4 out of 5, and real-world experiences support that. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. One of the Tucson's biggest strengths is how little it demands from your wallet over time. Average annual maintenance costs fall between $400 and $550, placing it among the most cost-effective SUVs to own in the long run. Hyundai's 100,000-mile powertrain warranty further underscores its commitment to reliability, offering peace of mind without added cost. And even as the years go by, older Tucsons still hold their own in terms of looks and performance. The latest generation is built with longevity in mind, not just short-term appeal. Resale value is also trending upward, with recent models retaining over 60% of their value after 3 years. While it might not grab headlines like some of the segment's more popular names, that's precisely what makes the Tucson a hidden gem. It quietly delivers long-lasting reliability, low ownership costs, and real-world durability in a package many buyers underestimate. Number 4. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is a compact SUV that quietly checks all the right boxes, especially when it comes to long-term dependability and value. Starting at around $28,000 for the 2025 model, it offers one of the strongest reliability-to-cost ratios in its class. Consumer Reports gives the Sportage a predicted reliability rating of 4 out of 5, and real-world ownership backs that up. With just routine maintenance, many drivers report their Sportage lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Backing that confidence is Kia's industry-leading 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which adds even more assurance for long-term ownership. The Sportage also stands out for its low annual maintenance costs, making it one of the most economical compact SUVs to keep on the road. Older models have aged well, not only in design but in mechanical durability, showing few major issues even after hitting 6-figure mileage. Depreciation is also surprisingly modest, with 3-year resale values typically holding above 60%, a solid figure for a vehicle in this price bracket. Rather than chasing trends or relying on flashy gimmicks, the Sportage earns its reputation through consistent performance, strong reliability, and a satisfying ownership experience. For buyers looking for an affordable SUV that will go the distance without constant repairs or high upkeep, the Sportage remains an underrated and highly sensible choice. Number 3. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback has earned its reputation as a rugged, dependable SUV, and while it's often linked to outdoor lifestyles, its real strength lies in how effortlessly it goes the distance. Starting at around $31,000 for the 2025 model, the Outback delivers exceptional longevity, with many examples surpassing 250,000 miles with routine care. Consumer Reports consistently awards it a predicted reliability score of 4 out of 5, and real-world data backs that up. Subaru's focus on mechanical simplicity and durability, especially with its tried-and-true boxer engine, results in fewer major issues over time. That thoughtful engineering helps keep average annual maintenance costs between $500 and $650, making the Outback more budget-friendly to own long-term than many trendier rivals. Even at high mileage, the Outback retains solid resale value, holding about 63% of its original price after 3 years. It doesn't rely on flash or hype to make its case. Instead, it steadily racks up miles with minimal drama and maximum dependability. For drivers seeking a practical, long-lasting SUV that's easy to maintain and built for the long haul, the Subaru Outback remains a top-tier, underrated pick that consistently proves its worth where it matters most: on the road. Number 2. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX often flies under the radar in discussions about dependable luxury SUVs, but it's one of the most overlooked standouts when it comes to long-term value and durability. Priced at around $52,000 for the 2025 model, it blends premium comfort with the trusted reliability of Honda engineering. Consumer Reports gives the MDX a predicted reliability score of 4 out of 5, and real-world ownership experiences confirm it's capable of lasting well beyond 250,000 miles with regular maintenance. Unlike many luxury SUVs that rack up costly repairs over time, the MDX stays relatively affordable to maintain. Annual upkeep averages around $650, which is significantly lower than most European rivals. Acura's consistent build quality is evident in how well older MDX models continue to perform even after a decade on the road. They're known for avoiding the mechanical pitfalls that often plague other luxury brands, offering a worry-free ownership experience that doesn't come with a premium price tag for maintenance. For buyers who want the refinement of a luxury SUV without sacrificing longevity or financial peace of mind, the MDX is a smart, underrated choice. It's a high-end vehicle that delivers dependable performance year after year, quietly proving that luxury and reliability don't have to be mutually exclusive. Number 1. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 might not make the flashiest headlines, but it's easily one of the most reliable and underappreciated compact SUVs on the market. With a starting price around $29,000 for the 2025 model, it delivers premium-like build quality and long-term dependability that often outshines more expensive competitors. Consumer Reports gives the CX-5 a top-tier predicted reliability score of 5 out of 5, one of the highest in its class. Owners routinely report their CX-5s surpassing 200,000 miles with little more than regular oil changes, basic maintenance, and the occasional brake service. Mazda's focus on mechanical simplicity and proven engineering pays off by keeping costly issues to a minimum as the vehicle ages. Another advantage is its slow depreciation. After 3 years, the CX-5 typically retains about 62% of its original value, an impressive number for a non-luxury SUV. What truly sets it apart is how much long-term value it offers without relying on gimmicks or hype. It's not trying to be the loudest option. It's just quietly one of the most dependable and well-rounded choices available. For drivers who want an affordable, low-maintenance SUV that's built to last, the Mazda CX-5 is a smart, no-nonsense pick that continues to fly under the radar, and it's a top recommendation for those who value reliability above all. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more.